Here in the UK, we have 3 different types of tyres we can use on our vehicles, but sadly most of us only use one, and that's the summer tyre. The summer tyre is designed to be excellent in the dry and wet when it's warmer, but as the temperature drops, the rubber can harden and its performance drop off. To combat this, we have these tyres called all-season and winter tyres. These tyres both differ from a summer tyre in that they have a softer, more elastic rubber compound, which gives you more grip below 7 degrees. They also have a different tread pattern and these things called sipes, which allow them to have a vastly superior snow and ice performance to a summer tyre. An all-season tyre blends both the best summer and winter tyre performances into one package, which means you can run it year round without summer degradation like you would on a winter tyre, but should you encounter snow and ice, you have some safety like you'd have on a winter tyre. A winter tyre is more of a cold weather specialist. It offers you the best performance in the snow and ice and also stays the most elastic as the temperatures get really low. So how do you decide what the best option is for your own personal circumstances? Well, should you live in part of the country that sees a lot of snow and ice or gets very cold, a summer and a winter tyre is your best option. It allows you to have the optimum performance in the summer for dry and wet braking, but as the temperatures drop, it gives you the best tyre for the winter conditions. Should you live in the part of the country that maybe doesn't see as much snow and ice, or it doesn't get quite as cold, or you just don't want to have to change your tyres twice a year, an all-season tyre is an excellent choice. It still allows you to run in the summer without worrying about compromising your performance too much, but also as the temperatures drop, it stays elastic unlike a summer tyre and will have winter performance. One last thing worth remembering is that four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive doesn't mean safety. An all-wheel drive car with summer tyres on will be vastly outperformed by a two-wheel drive car with all-season or winter tyres on. So don't think just because you have four-wheel drive, it means safe year-round motoring. It doesn't. You still have to think about what tyres you fit.